And on the starboard side, we've got a twin cabin. So there's 3 cabins in all. So this is the second cabin. And there's an ensuite here. And then as we go aft again, this comes to an incredible master stateroom.
Wow.
So I've been on 90-foot yachts with a smaller master cabin. This really is a fantastic design, full beam, very large windows. So this is a fantastic space.
It's massive. Yeah, it's beautiful. The fit, the finish, it's just spectacular.
Yeah, and you'll see as we go around, but the owner added lots of options and extras, additional materials. So this is a fully loaded, highest specification Pershing 7X that you can build. And as you can see, it's hardly been used in immaculate condition. Here's a vanity area and a huge TV. And then you've got the ensuite for the master here.
Huge shower. That is just gorgeous.